This 2025 Palomino Puma Destination 39PQB is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Anna, Illinois, 62906 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Anna. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a stone interior, sleeps 9, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.